Hi, I'm trying something new here today, so let's see how it goes and excuse any rough edges. But I saw something, it was kind of interesting this morning that I wanted to share a little video about it. I found out about a new feature Microsoft added to Windows recently called Hotpatching. It's an interesting idea. Essentially, it means you can keep your operating system current and protected from all the latest security vulnerabilities without needing to do regular restarts, which on the surface sounds like a pretty good way of maintaining, good availability across your environment. However, there are a few things to be aware of. First of all, Hotpatching is only available in Windows Server 2025 Data Center Edition, but that does include the ones that you can get through Azure. And it's also available for Windows 11 Enterprise 24H2 and above, I would assume. The way it works is it leverages some technology called virtualization-based security, or VBS, and that uses hardware-level virtualization, so the same stuff that Hyper-V would rely on. What happens is that when you apply this, your patching changes so that once a quarter you get an update that contains feature and functionality changes as well as security updates for the operating system, and you do need to do a reboot for that one to apply and kind of reset everything and refresh. The difference is that you then get monthly updates in between that can apply without needing a regular restart. So there are a couple of catches, or well, more than a couple, a few things to be aware of with this. First of all, the VBS has a bunch of prerequisites that you need to meet, and see below there'll be a link to the sources where you can find out if you meet those requirements. Second of all, you need to be using Intune, Autopatch, or Azure Arc, depending on your operating system, to manage patching to take advantage of this. And also, there's no resets free rollback. So if there's a problem with the patches that you need to remove a patch or something's gone wrong, you would still need to do a reboot at that point. And then lastly, and potentially most interestingly, is that this is currently in preview. And while it's in preview, it is free. But as of June 2025, Microsoft is looking at charging $1.50 per core for this functionality on the data center Windows edition of this. Not sure if there's any plans to make that chargeable for Windows 11, but we'll see if Microsoft's doing that for data center. I guess there's precedent there with other stuff of charging per core. But I'm interested to know what you think. Is reboot-free patching something that you would want to consider? Is it something that would be valuable for your estate? And most importantly, is it worth the cost? So I'd love to know what you think about that, and I'd also like to know what you think about this video style. So let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.